Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to open the new tabs and also start InPrivate tabs in Edge browser on Android. So when you launch the browser, this is the home screen. Now if you want to add a new tab, what you can do is you can tap on this tab icon here, and at the bottom you can see this plus icon. You can just tap on it and it will add two tabs. Now the icon number has changed to 2, which means the two tabs are now open. Similarly, you can also add multiple tabs here tapping on the same plus icon, and it will add the new tabs. And if you want to switch to the InPrivate tab, what you can do is you can use this toggle switch here at the top and go to InPrivate tab, and it will give you this option where you can tap open the new private tab. So in this way you can open new tab and the private tab. Now if you want to close the tabs, what you can do is you can tap on this cross icon here and it will keep on closing the tab, or you can also choose close all option at the bottom and it will close all the existing tabs at once. I hope you find this video helpful. Cheers, have a great day.